back, everybody. I'm on TRX again. Today I'm going to put on this BAK Revolver X4S. I decided I just had that to cover because we go out to the hardware store or whatever, and I want to throw stuff in the back. It's just easier to close it up. So the X4S is a little bit updated. The inside is no longer shiny. It's just black color with there's rubber on it instead of that felt that would come off of the other models, the regular X4. Also comes with blacked out clamps so they don't stick out, stand out so much. So, and also it comes with these tees. So when these are the straps that when you roll it up, it holds it up by the cab. Instead of the style that push and snapped in, you just push and twist and it holds it. I had it on the other truck I just had before this one. It's way more easier. So, and then you just got these twist knobs that hold this up. So what I did is the rails. Now with that ram bar, this is pretty much one of the only ones other than the powered ones that I know fit with the ram bar. It does sit a little higher up in the front. I don't care. The other one was like that too. You can either just put a taller piece of foam in there or whatever. I don't even think I put one in, and mine never got wet. I think the factory rake, even if water does get in there, it kind of, goes out the drain holes. So I'm not worried about it. It didn't bother me on the other truck, and it's not going to bother me here. So that's just what you got to live with because it rides up the ramp here. And also there's one bolt on the ram bar that goes in this way. I never installed it when I put the ram bar on, knowing that I would have to take it out. So the next step here is to just put the actual top on with the bolts going down through those brackets that I'm showing right there. So let me get to that. So I got it sitting on the rails. All I did is pick it up, rolled it out a little bit so it gets the cardboard out. There's two channels where the bolts sit. And then you're gonna, flip this like this. And you're gonna have to go underneath to line it up, but then you get the bolts started in the holes and then you can get the twist knobs on. Okay, so now I'm like laying on the inside here. So you want to take, there's a rubber washer and a metal washer. The rubber goes on top, and then the metal, and then this knob, and they're kind of tight to turn, so you're probably going to need channel locks. Okay, so I got with the channel locks, I got these really good and tight. And I'll show you on the outside. Oh, here's where the felt used to be, and now it's just this nice rubber. There's a lip, and you'll see for this TRX that it hangs over the end of the bed, so it's definitely going to keep any rainwater from coming in. You'll see. Okay, so here's the outside. As you can see, it's got this big lip of rubber that drapes over the bed. So it's really going to be very hard for water to, yes, there's a space here, but you're talking about a very small spot. And I have to tell you, on my other truck, I had the same setup, and the bed was always dry, so I'm not worried about it. So just run this back, locks in, and that's it. And these in the sun, they will eventually just flatten out. It's not a big deal. The last thing, these are your straps. So what you want to do is you want to roll it up. So I'm videoing and I'm like saying what to do, and then I said, hey, I could just show you on the video. So you want to mount the clamp with the strap ahead of this and then run it over and then latch it in. It's pretty simple to put them in there, a lot easier than the older style. Just grab it, turn it, and what I like to do now that I got the length I want, I'll take it back out, and then I'm going to wrap tape around the straps here, and then they won't slip, and it'll keep this length. So that's all you need to do, is I just wrap some electrical tape on there. I mean, last time I did it with the other one, it was on there for like 2 years and never came off, but this will keep it from slipping when you pull on it. Okay, so a quick modification I had to do was loosen the clamps on the inside, the first two. That one and the middle one, and then close the tailgate and retighten it. That way I can just, you know, not fight it. And it just closes. I had something stuck in there, but no, so we're good. And that's it. This rubber seals pretty tight against the back, and it looks so much better. And these are, you know, hard, so they don't flop around. So that's about it with the revised version of that cover. It's those few little things will make a big difference, some small extra conveniences. So that's all I got for this today, and hope to see you next time. Please hit that subscribe button, and we'll talk later.